Hello guys, welcome to our channel Unboxing Pro. Today we are going to introduce a new mobile phone which is a keypad and its name is XTOUCH L4 model. We can see that on the front side this is our mobile and this is our back side, and here we are getting a 2 week standby battery dual SIM setting. So here we can see it has a 1.77 inch screen, 800 mAh battery. Then we have 64 external storage capacity, and sorry, this is the internal RAM and ROM extra. And here we have 32 GB external dual SIMs, as I said. Then camera supported, flashlight and vibration cell can be here. So the model is L4, as I said. So here we have some dual phones. So let's open this thing and looks. So let's show this. The packing is highly elastic, I think. So we can remove the cover. So this looks like this. So let's open this. No. Sorry. Hold. So this is our phone. So you can see I take it out. You can see this. So I keep it here. So now let's check out what other things we get. So here you can see this is an adapter that we get here. It looked like a high quality one. Here you can see this stuff, and here we getting an output of 5 volt with 0.3 ampere. So this looks good, and here we are getting the data cable for this mobile phone. So let's see, this is our battery. Extend it is written, as I said, it is about 800 milliampere. So we are getting headset with this mobile phones, etc. Then we are getting a 12 plus 3 months of warranty. Here we have the user manual and stuff. So let's keep this other steps in one side. Don't need this one. So this is our so let's open this, take this our phone out from the case. So you can see this is our phone. It look like a high quality one. You can see here XTOUCH. So let's and the camera also you can see here. This is our camera, and we got a flashlight. This is our speaker. Here also we have the charging port, headset, here mic you have. So that's all the stuff we have. So now we have to insert our battery. So here is our, I think this should be like this. So we should so this is, here you can see we can insert 2 SIM cards, 1 memory card, and so on. Here is our speaker, camera, etc. So first of all we have to take our battery. You can take out the battery stuff like this. Okay, this is the cover. So before that we are going to insert our SIM card. So this is our SIM. So you have to insert the SIM card in such a way the direction is given here. I think it might be fit. So now we have to put our battery over here. So this comes like here. So it fits and safe. So now let's check is our SIM card is working. So now let's remove the cards. So here also we can see the difference, SIM, radio, etc. So now let's on. I think yes, it's on. So you can see here I hope this is our wallpaper, etc. And design is very well designed. So here you can see some switches. These are used for playing videos, some extra. I hope we can access. You can see here we have, okay, this one. So here we have application. Okay, that one. You can check it out the camera quality. So you can see, I think it is having a 1 second. I will show you. So I hope you guys see this. The quality is not so bad with respect to the price. So the other features we have got a internet. So as I see, this is a wonderful set within our budget. So like as the SIM card is installed successfully, so I am closing my packet. So now our phone is ready. So since we are opening this phone for the first time, we have to charge. So we have the charger, and this is our cable, and we have to keep our phone for charging at least for 3 or 2 to 4 hours. So that's what we recommend. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe our channel for getting more videos.